Alright, go gang, we back with another video. I'm finna show you how to put these, not LED lights. No, we're gonna use that. It's just some bright white lights for your Ryker. It's gonna make a big difference. If you seen the last video I had driving on the highway, you got to have brighter lights on that highway when you're riding these Rykers. You gotta light up that road. Other than that, you're gonna be hitting your bright light. People gonna be hitting their brights at you and all that mess. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm finna show you how to put these lights on real fast. You see what I got? Oh, bang, 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 let's go.
Go DJ, go DJ, go DJ, go DJ, go DJ.
All right, of course, if you guys own your Ryker, you gotta take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Them the screws, you take the side panels off. All right, first I just wanna pull this off, man. It's simple, pull this off. Like a car on the headlight on the vehicle. Make sure that's off. That's all, pull it down, pull it back a little bit, get it out the way. Simple. Next, take a little rubber piece off. It's just to protect any type of water or anything like that. So you know it goes on like that. So when you set stuff down, you want to set it just like that on the ground because you know it go like that. And you see the bulb is right here, but before you even try to pull that bulb out, you got to click this white piece right here. Turn it. Let me see that line. You hear it click? That's what you want. That click. See, we got Rykers all over, man. Your piece goes on just like this, so it goes flat against your panel. It goes flat like that. So you set it down. Set it down like that, y'all, so you know what's going on. And the light already comes out, and it's simple. Once you took that white piece out, that was it. And there we have our light. This is the stock, orange, yellow, whatever color you want to call it, light. We're getting rid of that. Putting in the clear white. So let's take this out and show you how to put it back on. Real simple, 2-minute install, you guys. All right, YouTube. I'm finna show you the simple and best way to put this light in. Make sure you have the top. There's 3 pieces on here. Make sure you put it in just like that, facing in. 2 on the side, 1 on the top, and that's gonna give you the best results. So when you do clamp your piece on there, when you clamp this back on right here, that's how it's made, to go 1 up, 2 on the side. So make sure you guys do that first, but let's just put this in here like that. I'm making it look so hard right now because I don't have my camera guy. Alright, so it's in there just like that. And as you can see, the front light, the headlight is in there. I'm just making this look so hard right now because I don't have the camera. So now I'm trying to move this out the way. We're going back to our gasket, whatever you want to call it, piece. So we're just putting that on. This is where you need a cameraman right here, you guys. Okay, once you get the piece on there, that clear white piece, you got to turn to the right. Got to. So you should hear it click. That's what you want. It's in there. You gotta hear the click part. Turn left to unloose. Right to click it back in there and get it tight back in. before you do anything, get your rubber piece. Like I say, this holds all the water and moisture out, so you got to make sure, put it around, put this hole around these 3 pieces, and it's simple, it just goes right on. So nothing hard, nothing fancy. But you gotta make sure you get around all 3 pieces though. So you don't get around all 3 pieces. And when you're doing YouTube videos, yeah, get your camera, man. But make sure that's on there snug. Just push it. You ain't gonna hurt nothing. Before I plug it up, just make sure it's tight, because that's gonna keep the water and moisture out. And you see the light sitting in there. I'll show you this right here. That's the top part I was telling you about, and the 2 on the side, so just put it on the same way. That's why I told you to keep the pieces up on the top. It's right there. Let me move that so you can see. It's right there, so just put it on. Oh yeah. There we have it. So YouTube, this was my quick installation to get the $40 lights from Amazon. Like I said, it takes 5 minutes. If I didn't have you to hold the phone for YouTube, I would have taken me about a minute each one, but it was real simple to install. And it looks good. I'll show y'all the lights look way better. Whew, it's just hot where I'm at out here in the Chicago suburb area. But I hope you like this video. It's a simple way to just get some $40 lights. You don't have to get no fancy $300-400 LED lights. You can get by with this. Like, I ride on the highway a lot, and these stock lights, if you see the video from last time, like I said, the stock lights just not work on the highway. So make sure you just get some type of different light that's gonna help you better on the highway and keep the riders and other people just see you on the highway. Safety is everything. Make sure y'all keep riding. Hit the bell, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, ride safe and keep riding your Ryker. I'm out.
Go DJ.